Hello, my name is Florian from APV Austria. Today I would like to present our grassland seeding system GK300 Grassland Combination Harrow with a working width of 3 meters. We are located here in northern Austria on a goose farm, where thousands of geese will graze an area of around 4 hectares this summer. The geese eat large parts of the area, so the grasses do not enter the generative phase, which means that no seeds are produced. Therefore, reseeding, whether geese or ruminants, is necessary and important.
We are here today with the GK300 and will take care of reseeding with 15 kilograms per hectare. The GK300 is the perfect system for efficient reseeding. The leveling plate levels molehills or other unevenness perfectly. The red Harrow tines have a thickness of 12 millimeters. They work very aggressively and weed out unwanted weeds, as well as simultaneously aerate the floor and prepare the seedbed optimally for the following reseeding.
Reseeding is already the 4th step. Via the pneumatic seeder and dispersion plates, the seed is distributed evenly over the surface. The trailing roller, in this case the toothed roller, presses the seed against the soil to achieve optimum germination. With the GK, you save time, seeds, and money. You can easily adjust the leveling plate with the crank handle. Make sure that it runs 3 to 4 fingers wide over the floor surface to avoid damaging the turf.
The Harrow tines are easily adjustable via a hole pattern depending on the desired aggressiveness. The seeder is controlled via the control module where the seed quantity is regulated. The working depth is set hydraulically via the trailing roller. In this area of the pasture, you can see very clearly that there are many molehills. The molehills were leveled nicely, and you can also see individual seeds of the reseeding. The existing grass can continue to grow, and the new seed can germinate.
The red Harrow tines have weeded out unwanted grass and weeds, or also have teared out the moss. At the same time, the tines have made space for the new seeds. As a rule of thumb, we can say that if you mark out 40 by 40 centimeters in the meadow, there should be about 1 palm of free ground so that the seeds have room to grow.
Lucas, we're done with the reseeding for today. But what is your conclusion, and how do you like the result with the Grassland Combination Harrow?
I am very satisfied with the results. The molehills have been leveled perfectly. We have had difficult conditions. In one place, the grass was better. In some places, we have small clear cuts and patchy stands. This was optimally controlled during the crossing via the control unit. I am very happy with the result. We also have weeded out some moss and old grass. It looks really good to me.
Here we have our top seller, the Grassland Combination Harrow GK300 Full Edition. There are, of course, many more configuration options, such as different roller types, different seeders, and also the thickness of the Harrow tines can be configured according to your needs. Especially for working in slopes or alpine areas, you can split the GK300. You can use the Harrow at the front of the tractor and the roller mounted at the rear. The advantage here is that the center of gravity for the machine becomes more central, which makes working in slopes easier.
Thank you for being with us today during the pasture seeding with our Grassland Combination Harrow. If you have individual questions or need advice on our grassland seeding systems, please contact us. You can find a lot of information on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, or simply take a look at our website, apv.at. I wish you a great day and a successful grassland season.